Yes, my name is Scott Romero. We own Citywide in Memphis. So we're the Memphis, Tennessee location, and we are getting ready to be going on 3 years or so. I worked for the Department of Defense. So I first did 4 years in the Air Force, got out of that, and then worked for the Department of Defense as a fireman. I was station captain for a bunch of guys, and did that, and I felt really confident in what I did, and I knew that if I was given the tools, and I felt very comfortable that I could build a team. I felt like that was my thing I was good at, was building a team together, get them to rally and then move to a mission. I reached out to a franchise broker. He kind of showed me different systems that were out there. When I went to Citywide and saw what their operation, saw how everyone won in the business model. Myself, I won, the client won, the contractor won. Everyone was winning. That's where I was like, okay, we're onto something. I'm happy being a Citywide owner. I would say that. I find a lot of fulfillment out of it. I feel that every day I feel like we're just pushing towards something great. I don't feel like I'm just going to work to go make a living. I feel like we're going to make a difference. We're going to make a big impact on people. I think that we're doing more than just whatever, when we get customers that call us and they're like, man, you guys are just fantastic. We had this problem, and you took care of it. We were able to take care of all these orders. It makes you feel like you've done a bigger thing, So it's not just it's definitely a good feeling to know that you've made an impact. So it's made me happy.